Hey there, beginner traders. Want to know the easiest way to swap your XRP for PancakeSwap tokens? Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need a digital wallet that supports XRP and PancakeSwap tokens. Make sure you've got that set up. Now head over to PancakeSwap's exchange platform. You'll see a section to select your exchange pair. Choose Ripple or XRP as the token you want to swap. Then select PancakeSwap tokens or Cake as the one you want to receive. Next, you'll need the address of the recipient wallet where you want your Cake tokens to be sent. Copy and paste that address carefully. Always double-check to avoid any loss of funds. Now it's time to check the rate. This tells you how many PancakeSwap tokens you'll get for your XRP. Rates can vary, so make sure you're happy with the exchange rate before moving on. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll be prompted to make a deposit. This means transferring your XRP to the designated address on PancakeSwap. Follow the instructions carefully. After your deposit is successfully processed, voila! You've converted your XRP to PancakeSwap tokens. Check your wallet to make sure the Cake tokens have arrived. And that's it! You've just swapped XRP for PancakeSwap tokens in a few simple steps. Happy trading! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading tips.